Okay, so this is a hotel room tour for the Hotel Explorers, which is just near to Disneyland Paris. It's one of the, I think it's one of the good neighbour hotels or recommended hotels that are off-site. So you walk through the door and you've got a bunk bed. That's just some of our stuff down there, obviously. Top bunk, bottom bunk sort of thing, so good for the kids. On the right, straight away, you got just your toilet and bathroom with bath and shower. And coming into the main part, you have your double beds. Obviously we're just leaving, so that's why it looks made. Some storage, some stuff to hang your clothes, more storage areas, a safe, more storage areas, and a desk with a UK plug, as well as the normal European ones. So that's really good they've got that. TV, again, we didn't bother with. We never do when we're away. Mirror. Right, it doesn't have aircon, but it does have a fan. Now what they do is they put it on quite low, but if you can see just there, they cut the cord so you can't turn up high. However, there is still a little bobble that comes out, so you can actually turn the fan up. So that's what we did. So just beware of that one. And our room was right by the pool, so really good pool. I have done a separate video which I'll do of the grounds and you know, the hallways, etc. But yeah, that's the pool, outdoor slide sort of thing. So all in all, a good hotel, a good family hotel. Would I stay here again? Personally, I wouldn't. Doesn't mean that the hotel is bad. It's just more of a young family hotel, I think, than probably us who's got the children that are slightly older, not too old, but slightly older. I think I'd prefer to go and stay elsewhere, because the dining room, for example, is quite hectic in the morning. But it's not to say it's a bad hotel. There's not that much wrong with the hotel at all. Yes, the room is a little bit tired. There's lots of scuff marks about. Probably could do, I don't know, maybe an update. But then again, you know, as a family, you know, you come in here, it's a bit of a base, and you're going to Disney. So that's just my personal opinion. It doesn't mean the hotel's bad and I didn't enjoy it. So hopefully this will help you make some sort of decision if you want to come and stay here. Oh, one other thing is there's the router for the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi was very good, so top marks for that. But yeah, don't be put off by me saying that. That's just my opinion and my preferences at my time of life. This is a good family hotel.